Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with MyWyoStyle. Remember, God loves you. I just had to make this little intro on this green tomato chutney we made yesterday. Grandson and I spent the day together since he was out of school, and he wanted to make chutney of all things. Never made it before, and we found an amazing recipe online. We tweaked it a lot to make it ours, but last night we had it on some grilled chicken, and oh my, it was so amazing. I'm really glad the grandson wanted to make chutney. He is 9 and an amazing chef, so I had to follow his call. Anyways, I don't have a video on it, but I wanted to at least give you the recipe in the drop down, and it's down below if you just check that recipe for it. I really recommend it. It is amazing. You can use it on cheese and crackers, and let me show you what it looks like. Here is that result of the chutney. I still got a jar up, about 12 more jars, and he took about 12 jars with him. It made so much. We started off with about almost 5 pounds of green tomatoes, and like I said, the recipe is in the drop down for you. But look at this. Oh, yummy goodness. We did use our immersion blender and chopped it down quite a bit because we just didn't like the huge chunks of tomatoes and onions in it. But like I said last night, we had it on some roasted chicken, and it is completely amazing. If you ever get a chance to try this chutney, like I said, we totally recommend it. Have it on cheese and crackers and any kind of meat you want. Well, guys, as always, may God bless you and have a great rest of the day. Thank you for viewing.